Hey guys, welcome back, and today I will be showing you how to use extensions on Scratch. This is another part of how to make games on Scratch playlist. Make sure to check out all the other videos, but let's get started. First of all, let's go over what are extensions, huh? So extensions are like mods for Scratch that can add a lot of cool stuff. So there's a bunch of extensions like music, pen, video sensing, text to speech, a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna try this text to speech. So let's have it say hello. Let's say
Hello.
okay. Let's try a different voice tenure.
Hello.
Okay, this one.
Hello.
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 I think I like this one. The squeak.
Meow.
What? Wait, what? Squeak.
Hello. Hello.
No, I hate that.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, I don't know. First one, I'm gonna delete it. I think I'm gonna use the new sprite for this. Let's go to people and let's have Abby say hello.
Hello.
Okay, and let's have another one. Let's have Dot say hi. Okay, I want to face that way, so I haven't talked about this. It was flip horizontal. Boom. He just turns that way. Perfect. I want to make him say, speak. Hi. My name is Dot. What's your name? Okay. I'll have this go along.
Hello. Hi, my name is Dot. What's your name?
Okay. We'll say,
Hello. Hi, my name is Dot. What's your name? My name is Abby. Hello. My name is Abby. Hello. My name is Abby. Hi, my name is Dot. What's your name? Hello. Hi, my name is Dot. What's your name? My name is Abby.
and we're now gonna set a voice to both of them because we don't want both to sound the same way. So I'm gonna use this for that and this for this. Ooh, set language. Let's try this now. Have him talk in any of these. Let's try them talk in. What about Korean? Okay. Now set the language of this guy to also Korean.
Hello.
Hi, my name is that. What's your name?
My name is Abby.
Okay, well that's weird, but okay. I swear he said my name is Abby in English though. Okay, let's try French.
Hello.
My name is dot. What's your name?
My name is Abby.
Okay, well, that's fun. So that's the text to speech one. Let's try this one. Okay, let's just destroy all of this. Okay.
Hello.
So we're gonna take when green flag clicked, we're gonna go all the way down to pin. Pin down. Bob. Bob. No, Bob. And damn. So just gonna add everything up. So nothing happens. What I wanna do is I wanna kind of make it so the pin follows the the this pointer, like the, I don't know what to call it again. I forgot what to call it. But anyway, just like the pointer that I'm moving with. So we're gonna, if space key pressed, okay, we're gonna keep it pinned down. And this. Okay, we have this. Now I want it to kind of follow the pin, to follow my mouse. I don't know. Yeah, I want it to follow my mouse. So to do that, what I do is then actually, okay, I want it, the pen, to move around in this sprite. So okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move 10 steps. Let's try this. Try. Oh wait, okay. Try. Does not seem to be working. Well, guys, this pin one is a little tricky. So I'm not actually gonna do this one. I'm gonna do it in the next video. This pin one's a little really tricky to do. I think I forgot how to do the pin, but it's really tricky to do. But I will do it on the next video, which is making the game, improving our clicking game. If you remember that clicking game, part 3, I will be using the pen extension. So thank you guys for watching, and bye bye. And make sure to like and subscribe.